Now, behind me right here is what I would call the home of Mercedes-Benz in the UK, which is Mercedes-Benz World. Now, they have an open museum here, which you can attend. However, they have something which I'm really excited about. They have a mini little track and also a skid pan as well. So you can kind of see what's happening in this video today. Oh boy, I can't wait. Okay, so all I've been told is that I need to be downstairs in, well, what is now 4 minutes, and apparently one of the drivers here are going to show me what an AMG can actually do. So this might be interesting. I don't know whether to be excited or nervous. There's only one way to find out. So yeah, apparently you're going to show me what an AMG can do.
Yes, especially a quite new model. We are sitting here in the new C63 S E Performance.
Oh, this is the E Performance. Oh wow, I didn't actually look at the charge port on the back. This is going to be fast.
Definitely.
And you're almost fully charged as well, so...
We are fully charged, which is very important obviously, to have the torque of the electric motor, which is the big advantage of this car. So the most powerful C63 we ever built. And yes, it has a 4-cylinder combustion engine in the front and the electric motor on the rear, so also the weight balance is quite close to 50-50. So let's see what you think. And it's just nice with the electric motor, you have more possibilities also to play during the rotation. And obviously, the torque is really the main effect you feel compared to the older C63 versions.
Yeah, it can certainly go. Only on the straight we hit 100, so...
What is your first impression now?
Well, I've driven the GLC C63 SE Performance, but not the C63 SE.
Okay.
But, well, certainly not obviously this fast, but it's been a long time since I've been on a track anyway.
Oh, okay.
I think it was 2015 when I was last here.
Oh, okay.
But it was in the old C63.
Yeah. But you see now, like, really the torque out of the corner. It's the big advantage of this car, and makes it go.
Almost hit a bird.
Suicide bird, okay. And obviously with all the systems we have in the cars now, in the modern cars, for instance the AMG Dynamics, where the system is also helping to rotate the car into the corner with the brakes. That's all the systems we develop more and more in the future now, and also learning from each evolution of cars. Makes the car, even when they got also more and more heavy, still super precise, agile, and a lot of fun, and all the systems are helping to make the car feeling very light.
I always find it amazing as well with the SE Performance that as you brake, the brake recuperation is so much more than your traditional like mild hybrid or something like that.
And this is really coming from Formula One. So there we learn from Formula One, from our Formula One team, that when you brake, you generate the energy you reuse on the exit of the same corner. And it's with a modern world, which is getting more and more digital anyway. It's quite cool, it's fun, and it's a big step forward.
Well, there we go. That didn't take long.
But I hope you liked the first impression of the C63 SE Performance.
Yeah, it's very good. Thank you very much.
Perfect.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
And I thought that was it, but no, Mercedes-Benz then plopped me into an A45S to do a manual launch. Not using launch control, because apparently that is considered cheating. I had to launch the car and beat the 0 to 62 miles per hour time, which for the record is 3.9 seconds. So no pressure. Okay guys, well this is something a bit unexpected. I now get to do a drag race. Is it 3 times? Did I hear?
3 times A45S.
Nice. Let's do this.
Okay, so if you want to pop it into drive, straight down, we're going to roll up to those cones.
Yep.
I'll run through how it's going to go. And what we'll do is we'll pop you straight into race. And
Only the best.
And also into manual. So he's going to count you down. So we'll come to stop. This will automatically measure us as we go. All right. Well, we'll go for it. He's a professional. Yeah.
Who said I'm a professional?
Right, are we ready?
Yep.
Go. So he's going to count you down. 2, 1, go. Sit.
Are we braking at these cones?
No, that's fine. So basically, as soon as we get to 60 miles an hour, you can slowly go on those brakes. So you had 2 perfect shifts there, it said.
Oh, cool. I wasn't actually looking at the screen, to be fair.
No, so. No, exactly. It's all just done by feel. So if you want to follow him back round, so your 0 to 30 was 2.3, your 0 to 60 was 4.93 for your first run.
Cool. Well, I know this car can do faster than that.
We can if it does the race start.
Oh, okay.
So your launch control race start was probably what the main stats would be.
Yeah.
With this one, it will be
without knackering the clutch too much.
I mean, to be honest, these cars do it a fair bit here, and they're pretty good. But yeah. Perfect stuff.
Yeah, on it.
All right. What I'll do is I'll open the window and then we can hear. All right.
Might have gone a bit too. Yeah, I've gone a bit too far there.
So 2 seconds. If you just pop it reverse and just roll back. 2 seconds. Roll back a bit. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Perfect there. Good.
Trying to cheat already.
Yeah. We've got warned about you. Right. Whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Very good. So, a little bit quicker. That one. Using the full amount. So 4.89.
There we go.
So, one more attempt to see if we can beat your 4.89.
I think we might be able to. Third time's a charm, you know.
There we go. So you got 4.93, 4.89.
But was Mr. Confident going to be my downfall? Can I beat my last 2 times? Well, as I edged closer to the start line, I could feel that this one was going to be my fastest yet.
Go, 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 go. That's it.
I think I'm slow, wasn't it?
Yeah, 4.82.
Oh, 4.82. There we go.
I think that was the best out of your. You can see all of them. So 4.93, 4.89, 4.82.
There we go.
At least you're going the right way.
Yeah, true. 4.82, 0 to 62 in an A45S. I should add as well, that's also without race start.
If you do launch control race start, in theory, I mean, one of the main reasons we're not doing that is in theory there's no skill within that, because you put your foot down full like all race
and it
starts,
just goes.
and it does it all for you, and it is very fast.
Wow, thank you very much for
You're
that
very
one.
welcome. Great stuff.
Wow guys, what an incredible experience. I was not expecting to do the drag race. I thought I was going to be a passenger. I wasn't expecting to be actually driving, but there you go. Here are my lap times for the A45S. So that's of course without using race start, as you saw. But yeah guys, you should definitely come check out Mercedes-Benz World. It's a great day out. It's not the only reason why I'm here. There is another reason why I'm here. And it's actually because there's a new car coming. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because it's going to be something quite special. It's going to be quite pricey, but it is going to be something very, very unique. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. But guys, thank you so much. Until next time, see you then.